Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestylediyw, and today I'm bringing you my fall front porch reveal. Yes, it is finally here. I am so excited. And that picture right there was featured on the Rite Aid's Instagram page, because I'll tell you about that DIY of my pumpkin topiaries in a minute. But let's get into it. So the first thing I did was, of course, remove all my summer items from my porch. And as you can see, my porch is kind of small. It is not a big size, but I do have height, and I love to have height. So I'm happy that I have the steps, I have the area in the front. And the first thing I do is remove everything. I wash my mats down, I wash my steps off, I wash the front door off from summer cobwebs. I just kind of, spray a little disinfectant just to spray everything down. I wash it away, and here you have it. It's my fall decor front porch. I was super excited. At the last minute, I found these mums and this huge pumpkin, and I love my wreath. And I'm going to show you little bits and pieces of this fall decor later on in the video, so make sure you watch and you stay tuned. There goes my welcome to the farmhouse sign, and that was a Target kids chalkboard that I DIY'd with some Chalkology paint. But I'm so excited. Look at it, you guys. I think it's so cute. It so gives my house a quick pop. Besides all the green on the other side, this front porch is so cute and easy to style. So now, I made that little brown crate right there from some paint sticks. And if you want me to do a DIY with that, I surely will. And I DIY'd that watering can from Target, and it's actually white. And I believe I posted it on my Instagram. And so that's some of the things that I want to show you guys later on in this video.